the bell icon. Stay updated on our daily videos. In this lecture, we're gonna see about the three types of coordinate methods. For that, concentrate on the screen. First we understand about the two types of coordinate system. The first coordinate system is rectangular coordinate system. In this coordinate system, the horizontal line representing the x-axis and the vertical line representing the y-axis. In horizontal, if you moving the right side, then we have positive x-axis. Then moving on left side, here we have negative x-axis. In the same way, if you are moving upward, it is in positive, and if you are moving downward, it is in negative. So this is called rectangular coordinate system. Now let us see about polar coordinate system. Polar coordinate system representing the angles. If you are moving in positive x-axis, which means moving at angle 0 degree. If you are moving positive y-axis, hence it is in 90 degree. Like that, if you are moving in negative x-axis, it is in 180 degree. And lastly, moving in negative y-axis, it is in 270 degree. Based on these two coordinate system, we have three types of coordinate methods in AutoCAD to draw the diagram. First, absolute coordinate method. By using this method, we gonna draw this diagram. It is at 50 cross 50 rectangle. And here is the first point, and here second point, third point, fourth point, and lastly fifth point. Let's consider the syntax format x, y for this system. That is, first value represents the x and second value representing the y value from the coordinates. Here the first point coordinate is 0, 0 and the second point coordinate is 50, 0. See here, the first value of this coordinate is 50, which represents the distance from first point. Like in third point, x value and y value is 50, so the coordinate should be 50, 50. Then the position of fourth point from the origin, x value is 0 and y value is 50 because y value's height is at 50. And finally fifth point is 0, 0. Let's do this in diagram with the help of AutoCAD. First, I choose line command. You can pick line command directly from the ribbon bar, or else type command L to activate the line command. Now type 0, 0, which I have already set, and enter it. And type the following syntax which displays on the screen. 50, 0 and enter. Then I want to specify the third point, that is 50, 50. Then enter. And fourth point 0, 50. Enter. And finally 0, 0. Enter. Then press escape key to come out the command. By this method, you can draw this diagram, and also we are able to create the same diagram by using relative rectangular coordinate method. In this method, we are able to measure each and every point with reference of the previous point. The first point will specify on the screen that where you want. Then the second point is measured from the point number 1, and the third point is measured from the point number 2. Likewise, we are able to measure every point with reference of the previous point, right? Let us consider the syntax for this method is at x, y. That is, we have to place at symbol before the x value. You have to start a point at anywhere by clicking the mouse or even entering the coordinates. And then the second point, x distance is 50, so we entered at 50, 0. And see third point, here is the catch. Here we taking the y value is 50, but the x value is 0. But the catch is, as I already told, in this method we are able to measure every point with reference of the previous point. Note that, with reference of the previous point. So you can see here the x value is already concluded in the previous. I repeat it, the x value is already concluded in the previous point. So that's why we entering here like this. I think this is understood. If don't, leave your queries in comment section. Let me clear you. See here, likewise the fourth point from the point number 3. I am moving in x-axis negative direction, so I did minus 50 as x value. And finally here at 0, minus 50, because moving in y-axis in negative direction, that is downward direction, right? Now let us see how to implement this diagram as per the relative rectangular coordinate method. Pick the line command and specify the first point and enter at 50, 0. And for third point, enter at 0, 50, because moving in y direction, right? Likewise, entering the following points, that is, fourth point is at minus 50, 0, and lastly at 0, minus 50. In this way, we can draw this diagram by using relative rectangular coordinate method. Lastly, we have relative polar coordinate method. Let's see about this. This method is entirely different from the rest of the two methods. But the catch is, here we make the distance with respect to the angles. We need to specify the first point with the help of the mouse or else entering with the help of coordinates. Then the second point is moving in x direction at the distance of 50 and the angle is 0. And the third point at the distance of 50 at the angle of 90 degree, because we moved in y direction, that is upwards. And the fourth point at distance 50 with angle of 180 degree, because the line moved to the left x-axis. One thing mind it, here the catch is all distance value is only in positive sign, right? Even the line moved to the left side, but here is the angle only changing. Mind it, here is the only angle changing. And lastly, at 50 distance at the angle of 270 degree. Let's practice this with AutoCAD. I picked the line command and specify the first point. For the second point, at the distance is 50 and type less than symbol by using shift plus less than key on keyboard. Here the less than symbol indicates the angle symbol. And then entering the degree of the side where the line is drawn. We are entering 0 degree. So we entered at 50 angle 0 degree. And just enter. Likewise, entering the following points. For third point, at 50 angle of 90 degree. And then fourth point at 50 angle of 180 degree. Lastly, at 50 angle of 270 degree. That's it. This is all about this video. I hope you guys understood how to hear. We'll see you in the next lecture.